Okay, look at the camera.
Hi!
This is instructional how to clean your hamster.
I think he's all clean now.
Okay, what did you do?
I pulled tufts of fur out.
See, we have a
This is
dog
what was
brush.
in his hair.
Yeah, this is all the stuff that was in his hair. See, sawdust is really bad. It actually makes respiratory problems. As you can see, it clumps into the fur. Use Aspen or Clean Fresh. Sometimes cedar. Cedar's been bad too, but please don't use pine.
And longer fur, you have to brush them out regularly.
Yeah.
Keep them healthy. But it's kind of hard to brush them. And oh, there's more. I feel bad.
She's got the business end of the hamster. Alright.
Come on, sweetie.
Oh, he's gonna fall.
There we go. Okay. There you go, honey. Ew, pull the poo off, Kirsten.
Pooed. I want to pull the poo off his butt. Ew!
Gross.
Big balls.
Yes, definitely male. If you didn't know how to tell them, apart from females, now you know. There you go, sweetie. Oh, you're all clean. Are you happy now?
Okay, let's see how.
Tell them how happy you are.
I'm happy. I'm gonna do the hamster dance now.
I'm going to jump and fly.